I hope you're doing good. So basically, I spoke with the support of the Shopify support. You see here, I have given the product link and I said like why this product not working. Okay. So they're actually taking some times and then again come back and then they actually mentioning then yeah, so they actually mentioning the problem. So is the I appreciated your time. Right now I am testing the on this fresh theme and I see if this any error. So they're still testing with the fresh theme. And this is actually working, but in with your theme this is actually not working. They actually directly recommend, you see here, fresh theme, so the issue not appearing. So he telling me the fresh Shopify theme, the issue not appearing. Okay, so in the fresh theme this actually working very well. I was able to select the variant and theme. Okay, so with the Shopify theme they can actually select the variant. Okay, they actually created the videos, they actually send it to me. Okay, just check it. Okay, you see this is the fresh theme. Okay, so with the fresh theme they actually checking, it's actually working. So now you see it's gone to the add to cart. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's working. So that means the issue is in your theme. Okay, I will also send you this video, you can check it. And you see here the incredible. Okay, so the issue is specifically related to the theme issue. So currently the theme exactly you are using, that's the issue. So you have to change that. They actually asking me this one. So and then also when I started to work on this theme, I also see this there are a lot of issues. So I'm not sure where from did you buy this theme. So there are a lot of issues. So I think you should not moving forward with that, and you should consider, or where from you bought this theme, you should talk with their support. Okay, so this way you can get the solution. Okay, so you see here they actually giving me long details. So all the places they actually explain that the problem is about your theme. Okay, so I will send you this video so that you can check. Okay.